Hello to all dear friends and welcome to the Blue Cube YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how to create audio waveform animation in After Effects. First, we create a composition. Then right-click in this empty space and create a solid layer. Now I double-click in the project panel and insert a music. I drag the music layer and place it in the timeline. We select the solid layer again and search for audio spectrum in the Effects and Presets section. I place it on the solid and a number of dots are created. I select the name of the music I entered from the audio layer section. In this way, the waveform is synchronized with the sound. Now I want to place the waveform at the bottom of the image. For this I use the start point and end point options. I copy the above value into the bottom box so that both points are on the same line. Now we can change the settings as desired to create different shapes of the waveform. We can also adjust the wavelength scale. Using this option, it is possible to change the color of the wavelength. Change the hue value to use multiple colors. Select the type of wavelength from the Display Options section. You can also add a background to the wavelength by inserting a photo. Thank you for staying with me until the end of this video. Remember, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click the subscribe button or the subscribe below the video, and please like the video. Goodbye for now.